Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making orange poppy seed dressing, and this dressing is going to be oil-free and delicious. So let's get started. Now everything is going to go into my NutriBullet. You could use a blender, but for now I'm just going to use my NutriBullet. So we're going to start with a half a cup of nut milk, or any kind of plant milk is fine. We're going to use the juice of one orange. This recipe is so simple and so good. I've been obsessed with it. We're going to use a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. And I'm going to be adding one date that I've soaked in some warm water for a little bit. We're going to add a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Next, I've got a quarter cup of raw cashews that I soaked in some hot water for a couple hours. That's going to make it super creamy. And then we're going to do a tablespoon of onion powder. And we've got the poppy seeds, but we're going to put that in after it's all blended. So let's pop this on the NutriBullet. And you want to blend it until the date is all incorporated. So here we go. Okay, let's check and see how it did. And sometimes it kind of explodes on a little bit. So just be careful when you're taking the lid off here, or the bottom. All right, then we're going to add a teaspoon of our poppy seeds. Just kind of stir this in. I'm going to pour this in a little bowl. Oh, stuff is divine. All right, I'm going to make a little salad and then we'll try it. So I made a quick little salad with some romaine lettuce, tomatoes, cucumber, little chickpeas in there. So let's give it a try. I know it's going to be good because I've been eating this for 2 weeks now and I love it and I'm not sick of it yet. Here we go. It's so good. It's creamy. It's sweet. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. I even use it on baked potatoes. I mean, you can use it on anything. And what's great is it's oil-free, salt-free, sugar-free, guilt-free, vegan, gluten-free. It's the best. So give it a try. It's good for you, it's good for the animals, and it's good for the planet. And what you put on your plate determines your fate. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Until next time, thank you.